Welcome back to part two. So we're going to do a very similar thing here. We got 78,691, 899, and 900 over 987. So this is a really big mixed number. So we need a power of 10 that's bigger than this number. Well, let's make this a little bit easier. If I say 78,492, that would be bigger than this because it's whatever fraction bigger. So I just need a power of 10 that's bigger than this. So I've got 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, 10 to the 4, 10 to the 5. So if I do 10 to the power of 5, it should be bigger than this because I would have 10 with 5 zeros. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 zeros, I've got 5 numbers, and a 1 right in front of it. So 10 to the power of 5 is larger than 78,492, which is larger than 78,491 and 899 987ths. So it's actually pretty big finding these big numbers. Easy finding these big numbers. We just have to count how many digits are there, and that's our exponent. So if we have a positive integer, how to find the smallest power of 10 that exceeds it, what did we just say? We just count up the number of digits, the place value in your number, and that's your exponent. Okay. So now we're going to do the same with a small number. So your chance of having the same DNA as someone else is 1 in 10 trillion. That's 1 with 12 zeros. So here's 1 with 12 zeros. Given the fraction, express the very small number using a negative power of 10. Remember, 1 over 10, so 1/10 is 10 to the negative 1. And then 1/100th is going to be 10 to the negative 2, right? So we're counting the digits again. So 1 0, negative 1, 2 zeros, negative 2, 3 zeros, negative 3, 4 zeros, negative 4. We're going to keep going. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, we have 13 zeros. So we got 10 to the negative 13. It's that simple. All right. Now this next one is going to blow your mind. It blows everybody's mind. Your chances of winning the lottery are 10 to the negative 8. The chance of being struck by lightning in a given year is 0.000001. So we want to compare these numbers. And the best way to compare these numbers is to put them in the same form. So I've got 10 to the negative 8. This would be, if I divide by 10, I move my decimal one spot over. Divide by 10 again. 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 So I keep dividing till I get past that 1. That would be 10 to the, how many times did I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved 6 times. I divided by 6. So which number is bigger? This number is bigger because this is 1 over 10 to the 8th. And this is 1 over 10 to the 6th. All right, so I have 6 zeros, I have 8 zeros. This is a smaller number. So you are more likely to get hit by lightning in any given year than you are to win the lottery. All right, let's try one more. There's 100 million smartphones in the US. I have one of them. See my cracked screen? I don't know if you can see it. It's giving me troubles. What share of the smartphone market do I have? I have 1 out of 10 million, 1 out of 100 million. So 1 out of 100 million. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 for million, 7, 8 for the 100. So that's 1 out of 10 to the 8th or in a negative exponent, it would be 1 times 10 to the negative 8. Okay? All right, that's it. That is your 3 lessons.